Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing quadrilateral exercise point 1 and today's section I am going to discuss the question number 7. So what they given here, ABCD is a rhombus. So here they given ABCD is a rhombus. Show that the diagonal AC is bisect angle A as well as C. So here the diagonal AC is a bisect angle A as well as angle C, and the diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So here we want to show these two angles are equal, and here these two are equal. It means they are bisect each other. Is it clear? So first write down given. So given. So what they given here? ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. So that is ABCD is a rhombus means all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. ABCD is a rhombus means all sides are equal. And here we want to prove the diagonals are bisect angle A as well as angle C, and a diagonal BD is bisect angle B as well as angle D. So write down to prove. To prove. So here we want to prove these two angles are equal. The angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, and this side angle BCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle DCA, angle DCA, and similarly here, and angle ABD is equal to angle CBD. These two are equal. Angle CBD, and here angle ADB is equal to angle CDB. Angle ADB is equal to angle CDB. It means they are bisect. Is it clear? So proof here. So proof. So here consider two triangles are there. See here, ABC one triangle, another triangle CDA. Two triangle are there. So here ABC one triangle and ADC another triangle. So write down here, in a triangle ABC and the triangle ADC. So in these two triangle, AC is the common side. So AC is equal to AC. Write down common side, right? And see here, AD is equal to AB because side of the rhombus. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. So write down AB is equal to AD. Sides of rhombus. And similarly, DC is equal to BC. So write down BC is equal to DC. It is also sides of rhombus. Right. So write down here. Therefore, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle ADC by SSS rule. So side rule, these two triangles are congruent to each other. It means their corresponding parts are equal. That is, the angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, and angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. So reason by CPCT. So corresponding part of a congruent triangle, these two angles are equal. So it means, so that is diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as, right. And similarly we will consider these two triangles. Which one? DAB and DCB. So in these two triangle also, these two triangle are congruent to each other, then their corresponding angle. So these two are equal, and here these two are equal. So write down here. Similarly, the angle ADB is equal to angle CDB, and angle ABD is equal to angle CBD. So hence diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Hence proved. Is it clear?